What happens when you get sick with no job and zero health insurance in China's most expensive city, Shanghai? For a lot of people, that sounds like an absolute nightmare. This morning, Lois woke up with a really bad skin allergy all over her face. So Peter and Lois are taking you along to a local Chinese public hospital to see the entire process. And more importantly, the final bill. In China, over 90% of hospitals operate with an online registration system. Patients usually book their appointments through a smartphone app at least 3 days in advance. The system allows you to choose between a general doctor and a specialist. A general consultation costs 25 RMB, which is about $3.50, while a specialist fee ranges from 200 to 300 RMB, or roughly $30 to $40. That amount only covers the registration fee. Let's see what other costs will come up next. While on our way, there are 2 types of vehicles in China you generally want to avoid colliding with. One is a luxury car, which could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars in damages. The other is the small red vehicle, which can also cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is because it is specifically designed for disabled drivers. If you think rush hour traffic in China is bad, try driving past a major hospital. In Shanghai, the country's most expensive city, hospital entrances are a permanent traffic jam. That's because people with severe illnesses from every corner of China travel here, making it the ultimate destination for medical care. Over the last 2 years, Shanghai has seen a massive surge in stray cats. It turns out, even the pets are feeling the economic pinch. As many young residents lose their income, they simply can't afford cat food anymore, leaving these furry guys to fend for themselves. The hospital plays soothing music at the entrance to help ease the anxiety of arriving patients. However, the security checks at major Chinese hospitals are now extremely strict. This is due to a rising number of violent workplace incidents against medical staff, known locally as Yi Nao, or medical disputes, in recent years. In response, a national law was passed requiring comprehensive security checkpoints. When I was a child, going to a hospital involved no security whatsoever. This intensive screening is a system that only began a few years ago. Hospital steps are now fully digital via smartphones and kiosks. While convenient for the youth, it's a barrier for the elderly. This has created a new profession in China: professional hospital companions, hired to guide lonely seniors through the system.
这儿带就是这不是 D 区吗？这不是 C 区吗？前你往这儿你是31，你往这边往这里边走。往这边走。对，往这里边走啊，往这边走就是，而且31呢。哎，没事。
Every time we visit a hospital here, regardless of the day, it is always packed with people. It makes you wonder what went wrong. Is it the food we eat, the stress we carry, or perhaps our overall modern lifestyle habits? After paying the 25 RMB registration fee online, which is about $3.50, you simply arrive at your scheduled time. Due to the high patient volume, doctors in Shanghai operate under immense pressure. To save time, younger patients typically prepare all documents and questions in advance, leading to efficient consultations lasting just 5 to 10 minutes, whereas elderly patients often require more time to communicate. Interestingly, the doctor's diagnosis closely matched what Gemini, our AI assistant, told us earlier, except the doctor didn't say, "for reference only." The physician even approved the topical cream the AI had suggested, and simply added some oral medications to complete the treatment.
医生，他这个叫什么病啊？啊，就是面部皮炎。
对的，然后差不多用药2周左右再过来看一下，好吧？这个药膏还是可以尝试用的。
The final diagnosis was facial dermatitis. The doctor prescribed 3 boxes of oral medication and 1 tube of topical cream, which cost 102 RMB, adding the 25 RMB registration fee. The grand total for this entire hospital visit came to 127 RMB, which is approximately $18. What do you think of this total cost? Since Lois is currently unemployed and has no health insurance coverage, we had to cover this bill entirely ourselves. For a minor skin issue, $18 is nothing, but without insurance, a serious medical emergency here can quickly become a financial catastrophe. Statistics show that for self-paying patients in China, a single major diagnosis like cancer or heart surgery can easily drain a household's life savings overnight. The prescription is submitted through the doctor's digital system, and inside the pharmacy, robotic arms automatically locate and dispense the medication. Nurses at the windows then distribute them based on queue numbers. Despite the crowd waiting in line, everyone's situation is different. For some, this is a one-time visit, while for others with chronic conditions, fetching medicine here is a mandatory weekly routine. In a city like Shanghai, where every single inch costs a fortune, absolutely nothing is free. Even the plastic medicine bags, which used to be free, now cost 80 cents at a vending machine. Many patients with no time for a proper meal just stand inside the convenience store next door cramming down food. Watching Lois pick up a bread she liked and then slowly put it back on the shelf, my heart just sank. Since she lost her job, every single bill in this house falls on me. She skips whatever she can, just to save every penny for our little family. The two of us split a sandwich and a skewer of teriyaki meatballs. I don't know what it was about that day. The sandwich tasted so good. It felt like pure happiness, but it also made me want to cry.
Okay. Wow, this is so good.
某天也让我们出现，听微风迎着吧，用光阴发信仰。亲爱的，人间浪漫就像一朵花，想要开心花，总会学会轻易伤。你看，总是有人说我深爱又洒脱嘲笑，是共生的皱纹让此生无价。牵你的手啊，在岁月种下鲜花，在寻常烟火人家，有漫长的慢慢回答。云会升起，雨会落下，不用催促啊。耐心的人啊，才可以看见童话。
好听。